We talk a lot internally about this sort of idea that cheap isn't cheap. There are costs to cheap. There are environmental costs, there are costs to human beings that lived in communities that used to make those things. American Giant really is trying to build itself around some core principles. The apparel industry has become fixated on massive scale, massive complexity, and it's really moved from what it used to be, which was a pretty simple, high quality, localized approach to building clothes. We want to be, as a brand and as a manufacturer, very close to the men and women that make our stuff, to the men and women that grow our cotton and that spin our yarn and that knit our cloth. There's an intimacy that increases your commitment to that product and therefore the quality of that product. We want you to buy clothes that are going to last, and hopefully not just buying it and using it for a few months and having it fall apart and getting rid of it and buying something new again. That's got terrible consequences for the environment, and I think it's even got bad implications for us as consumers. We're going to put great quality product into the market, so we're dumping less stuff into a landfill. We're going to give the consumer an alternative choice, and that along the way can invest in a set of values or principles that allow us to think that we're actually supporting better environmental standards, things that are closer by. We're supporting local communities and local jobs. And that's not a big leap. It's actually a fairly simple thing to do if you commit to it. And we can do something there. And so we're going to.